Welcome to our channel. If you've just purchased a Google Home device, follow these step-by-step instructions to set it up and connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Step 1. Download the Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone or tablet. Step 2. Plug your Google Home device into a power outlet using the included power adapter. The device will power on automatically and greet you. Step 3. Open the Google Home app and sign in with your Google account. Make sure Bluetooth and location services are enabled on your phone. Step 4. Tap the plus icon in the top left corner of the app, then select Setup Device and choose New Devices. Step 5. Select the home you want to add the device to, or create a new home if this is your first Google Home device. Step 6. The app will search for nearby devices. When your Google Home appears, tap on it to begin the setup process. Step 7. The device will play a test sound to confirm the connection. Tap Yes if you heard the sound. Step 8. Choose the room where your Google Home is located or create a new room name for better organization. Step 9. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks and enter the password when prompted. Step 10. Wait for the device to connect to Wi-Fi. Complete any additional setup steps like voice match or music service preferences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.